Funny Toys is here to play, learning numbers all the way.
In a bedroom full of toys, numbers play with girls and boys.
Hi, my name is Blazin Bill, and I am a monster truck. Watch what I can do today.
I can jump very high. Look, I think Max the train is counting the numbers. Let's go see. Hi, Max. Hi, Blazin Bill. Okay, Numbers, let's start counting to make sure everyone is here. I'm stuck on the top shelf. Oh no, what are we going to do?
Max, I think I can help number 10. Let's build a ramp and I will jump on top of that shelf to rescue him.
Great idea, Bill.
Back and forth to measure space, finding the perfect place. Okay, let's go find some blocks to build the ramp.
Let's load these blocks onto my cars. Look, Max, I found one block. The number 2 found 2 blocks. Wonderful. Here comes 5, look alive. Over here, I found 5 blocks. Amazing. 5, that's so many.
Okay, everyone, here we go. 1 through 9, all in line. Helping friends, that's so fine.
Chugga, chugga, pull so strong, moving blocks along, along. Building, building, block by block, building up like a clock, tick-tock. Let me try.
Are you ready? Yes! I'm ready! Yes! I believe in you, Bill! Hold breath suspense. Thank you, Bill.
It's time to go home, everyone.
Slow and steady wins the race. Careful steps in every place.
You did it, Bill! Amazing! We all did it together. Okay, everyone, line up on the rug. Time for our counting check.
As the day turns into night, friends together, what a sight. As the day turns into night, friends together, what a sight. Time to rest, time to sleep, counting sheep in dreams so deep. And so our friends all rest tonight after adventures.
Let's count together. Can you count backwards? For Rescue Adventure Live, a Funny Toys production.